Okay. Day 2. Snowy River. It's very, very, very snowy. Oh, there's people at the church. There's already people there. Seems like they park over on that side. And, let's go to the parsonage. Talking about generational things. You see that little turd over there? That precious little turd. I love that little turd. Oh, what a blessed little turd. Hey, little turd. He's plumb tuckered out. He doesn't enjoy tripping as much as we do, but he's been good on his trip, real good. Today we had brunch, and I did not videotape it, but I got some good still photos. I love you, little turd. I love you, little turd. You're my favorite little turd in the world. Bender's such a cutie. That's his bed.